Did you know that 2/3 of the energy consumption of an airjet machine is for compressed air? With PicConnect's new AI feature, you can monitor this 24/7 with no extra effort needed. Because what happens when there is an unexpected increase in air consumption? This could be the sign of an air leakage. Thanks to our new AI algorithm in PicConnect, such anomalies are detected automatically. When PicConnect detects a potential air leakage, an alert is created. The next step is to run the air master test on the machine to pinpoint the exact location of the leakage to be fixed. Fixing a leakage of 10 cubic meters per hour can save around $100 per machine every month. So, thanks to PicConnect, you're no longer dependent on time-consuming periodic checks. Instead, you get targeted alerts allowing faster action to reduce energy costs across your weaving mill.